When the going gets tough, the tough get going indoors. Boy, has it been hot, and this is a great time to actually cultivate plants indoors. And there's so many options for indoor plants these days, and I have got a grouping of ficus plants here, some traditional loved indoor houseplants. Of course, we have our traditional ficus, we have our fiddle leaf ficus, we have these rubber plants, also another type of ficus plant, Ficus elastica, and we've got this beautiful variegated form here that has those greens, the pinks, and the whites that bring so much indoors. Again, these are tropical plants. They're tropical foliage plants. They're grown for their foliage, like this triangular ficus here. That variegated color of the white and the green is just can add so much to your indoor area, and we know that plants clean the air and provide oxygen for us. Some of these can grow so large, as you can see here, to a tree form that can get very large. Now, we don't want to overwater houseplants. Most homeowners tend to overlove their plants. We're typically only going to water them about once a week. We want to put them in a bright area where they get filtered sun. These do really well on patios and will grow very large, but we're going to bring them indoors in the winter time. So as those temperatures continue to rise and it's just so hot and sticky out there, why don't we give our houseplants some love and cultivate those tropical indoor areas? For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.